Number 1. 1980 Ford F-150, price $8,750. This is a classic 4x4 short bed pickup with a manual transmission and a 351M engine. It has 119,000 miles and remains 95% original, making it a solid candidate for either an off-road/work truck or a restoration project. The truck features a clean custom interior and has undergone several recent upgrades, including a new timing chain, water pump, starter, clutch, ring gear, master brake cylinder, and a dual exhaust system. With its strong running engine and durable build, this F-150 is ready to hit the road or trails. The exterior retains its classic look, while the interior has been well maintained. Whether for daily use, work, or restoration, this Ford is a great investment. Number 2. 1985 Chevrolet C10, price $6,000. This truck is in impressive condition with minimal rust, though the bodywork by the previous owner wasn't done perfectly, leaving some dents. The interior also needs some attention, but mechanically, the truck runs great. It features a low-mileage 305 V8 engine equipped with a Summit 600 CFM carburetor and an Edelbrock intake. A set of headers is also included. The truck has a fully rebuilt Saginaw 4-speed manual transmission, installed less than a month ago. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, this C10 offers a strong foundation for a classic truck enthusiast. The exterior is finished in blue, complemented by a tan interior. It comes with an additional 305 engine featuring a big cam, adding even more potential for performance upgrades. Number 3. 1986 Ford F-150, price $5,500. This is a well-maintained classic pickup with 81,600 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a dependable inline 306-cylinder engine paired with a smooth-shifting 4-speed manual transmission. The exterior is finished in tan, complemented by a matching tan interior, giving it a timeless and rugged look. The body is in excellent condition with almost no rust, aside from a small dent on the front driver's side fender. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives solid, with the transmission shifting smoothly. It has received recent upgrades, including a new gas tank and sending unit, ensuring reliable fuel delivery. The interior features upgraded Pioneer speakers and a new radio, adding a modern touch to this classic ride. Whether as a restoration project or a dependable vintage truck, this F-150 is a solid choice for any classic truck enthusiast. Number 4. 1986 Chevrolet C10, price $4,500. Featuring a gray exterior and matching gray interior, it has an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck starts up without any issues and was used as a daily driver last year. The dual exhaust SBC engine provides solid performance, making it a great choice for a first truck or a restoration project. The cab is clean, the bed is in excellent condition with no rust, and the undercarriage is well preserved due to consistent maintenance. The inspection is still valid for another year, ensuring road readiness. Recent replacements include a new alternator belt, battery, radiator, coolant overflow reservoir, and gas tank. Because it was regularly driven, any minor issues were promptly addressed, keeping the truck in great shape. Whether for daily driving or as a restoration candidate, this C10 remains a solid and dependable classic. Number 5. 1978 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. This is a solid 2WD pickup powered by a 350 Chevy V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It comes equipped with power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning, making it a comfortable classic. The truck features headers for improved performance and retains its original southern charm, having been purchased in Georgia and driven up north. Structurally, it is in great condition with no significant rust, aside from a small spot on one cab corner. Several upgrades have already been completed, including a rebuilt transmission with a shift kit, a new starter, alternator, and front wheel bearings. It runs and drives but still requires some work, such as carburetor tuning, to reach its full potential. With its bold orange exterior and matching interior, this Chevy is a great foundation for a restoration or a classic driver as it stands. Number 6. 1979 Ford F-150, price $6,500. With 112,600 miles on the odometer. It features a powerful 460 big block engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering plenty of torque and capability. The truck runs well and drives like a classic, offering a raw and rugged experience. The blue exterior has some areas where the paint is peeling, and the interior is not fully finished, but the truck retains its charm and functionality. The bed is in good condition, free from excessive rust, and the frame has recently been repainted after the bed was removed to install a new gas tank. With its strong drivetrain and sturdy construction, this Ford F-150 is a great option for anyone looking for a vintage truck with power and character. Number 7. 1995 Ford F-150, price $8,000. With 216,000 miles, a 4.9L V6 engine, and a 5-speed manual transmission. It has a clean title, a blue exterior with a tan interior, and is tagged until 2026. Recent maintenance includes a full tune-up, new battery, starter, catalytic converter, heater core, thermostat, and water pump. The AC blows cold with a new compressor, and the truck features CarPlay, a backup camera, and an 8-inch subwoofer. Suspension upgrades include a 2-inch front leveling kit, 1.5-inch wheel spacers, new ranch shocks, and a Chevy Saginaw power steering pump conversion. It rides on new BF Goodrich M Plus S 33-inch tires and has been professionally aligned. The camper is not included, but this F-150 is a solid, well-maintained truck ready for work or adventure. Number 8. 1980 Ford F-150, price $5,000. Equipped with a 351M V8, a C6 automatic transmission, and a 9-inch rear end. It has approximately 150,000 miles and comes with a salvage title. While the truck shows some cosmetic wear, it runs strong and has received numerous upgrades and replacements under the hood in the past year, making it a reliable driver. Recent upgrades include a Holley Sniper 2 EFI system, Holley throttle body, injectors, power distribution module, and fuel system components such as a fuel pump, pressure regulator, and filters. Additional improvements include an Edelbrock intake manifold, a new distributor, spark plugs, power steering pump, water pump, aluminum radiator, and Ford racing valve covers. Number 9. 1968 Ford F-250, price $7,800. With 51,600 miles and a manual 4-speed transmission. It retains its original Holly green paint, which, despite a few bumps from years of use, still cleans up nicely. The truck runs and drives great, making it a reliable weekend cruiser and even handling a 60-mile commute without issue. It has been recently updated with new shocks, an air cleaner, battery cables, and replacement armrests. Riding on quality Nitto all-terrain tires with American racing wheels, it also comes with the original steel wheels if preferred. A new headliner and front leveling spacers are included but have not yet been installed. This F-250 remains a solid and dependable classic with plenty of charm and functionality. Number 10. 1988 Ford F-150, price $3,500. This is a well-maintained 4WD truck with 133,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a strong 5.8L 351W engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, including a granny gear. The brown exterior complements its solid and rust-free frame, with rockers in excellent condition. The truck runs great, and the 4WD system functions as it should, making it reliable for various driving conditions. With 95% of the body rust-free, this F-150 remains in great shape for its age. It features a clear title and a fully functional heating system. Whether for work or restoration, this classic Ford is a dependable and capable truck.